Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by working on clean, dry hair. This helps sections lock faster and prevents buildup. Once you have 6 to 12 loose sections clipped, spray each lightly with water for pliability and drape the towel under a section. Make sure to use your fingers or a wide-tooth comb-to-back comb gently toward the scalp to create initial texture. You do this because the towel friction will amplify the roughness. Immediately wrap the towel and rub in small circular motions to encourage matting. You continue by using short, firm rubbing strokes with the towel along each section, concentrating on the mid-lengths where the hair meets the base, because that's where knots form fastest. Once done for a section, palm roll it between your hands to shape and compress the fibers. This locks the strand structure. Make sure to repeat towel rolling for 5 to 10 minutes per section and then let hair air dry. Once dry, palm roll again. Avoid conditioners so strands continue to mat. You finish by stabilizing the forming dreads. Perform weekly towel rubbing sessions and palm roll nightly to encourage uniform tightening, because consistent friction equals stronger locks. Once most sections feel firm, trim stray flyaways sparingly or use a tiny crochet hook very carefully to pull loose hairs in, only if needed. If a section refuses to lock, make sure it was dry, then increase short rubbing sessions and avoid oils. Persistent issues mean start a tiny palm roll and re-rub with the towel more often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.